Chapter 8. Is the universe normal? The universe is profoundly paranormal in the sense that it's full of mysteries, improbabilities, and phenomena that defy easy explanation. And yes, it's often said that we know more about space than we do about our own oceans, but that statement is nuanced. What we know about the oceans versus space. Oceans. Over 70% of Earth's surface is covered by oceans, but more than 80% of the ocean floor remains unexplored. We've mapped large sections of it using sonar and satellites, but these methods lack detail, and much of the deep sea is still a mystery. The deep ocean is home to ecosystems and species we've only just begun to discover. Some regions are so inaccessible that they rival the difficulty of exploring distant planets. Anomalies. The ocean is home to mysterious sounds, such as the bloop, a low-frequency noise detected in 1997. While some attribute it to icebergs or marine life, its precise origin remains unknown. Also, structures such as the Baltic Sea anomaly, a peculiar formation resembling a crashed spaceship, fuel speculation about underwater mysteries and ancient civilizations. Space. While space is vastly larger and more challenging to physically explore, our observational tools, like telescopes, satellites, and space probes, allow us to gather a wealth of data. We've mapped large portions of the observable universe, studied distant stars and galaxies, and even identified thousands of exoplanets. However, what we know about space is surface level. We understand only a fraction of its true nature. Concepts like dark matter and dark energy, which make up about 95% of the universe, remain theoretical, and the question of whether life exists elsewhere is still unanswered. The paradox of knowing so little. The statement, "We know more about space than our oceans," reflects the idea that technology and science have allowed us to peer into the vastness of space, yet we've neglected the alien world right here on Earth. At the same time, space itself is barely understood. We've mapped only the observable universe, a tiny fraction of the whole. Much of space, like our oceans, remains mysterious. Paranormality of it all. The universe, whether in the depths of the ocean, the infinite reaches of space, or even within our own minds, is full of things we can't fully explain. Both the ocean and space are reminders of how small and limited human knowledge really is. The fact that these vast domains remain largely unexplored and teeming with unknowns makes them feel inherently paranormal. It's fascinating that humanity seeks to understand the cosmos while having only a partial grasp of its own planet. That paradox alone makes everything, from the stars in the sky to the creatures in the deep, feel like a cosmic mystery waiting to be unraveled.